has previously been reported on the ground. We've had video of that tornado on the ground. That's something that we've showed you here. We continue to watch that potential for
National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Johnson County, southeastern Benton County, southwestern Lynn County, northeastern Iowa County until 2:45 p.m. At 2:19 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over East Amana, or 13 miles southwest of Cedar Rapids, moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. Expected hazards include tornado and quarter-size hail. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Fairfax, Swisher, Cedar Rapids Municipal Airport in Sioux Falls around 2:30 p.m. Cedar Rapids and Shoeweville around 2:35 p.m. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Ely, Marion, Bircham, and Palisades Kepler State Park. Take cover now. The storm has a history of producing tornadoes. For your safety, seek shelter now. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 2:45 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa: